Hey guys, Beiji here with a 2010 Subaru Impreza. Recently, when I started driving, I realized the power in the center console works, but the power in my armrest doesn't work. So let me show you what I mean. If I turn the key on my radio, got my little tester here. If I plug it in, lights on. So this one has power. But if I go to the one in here, plug it in, no lights. See, no lights versus lights. So I found the solution to this is basically you go to the left side, pull this panel, and which the one you see, if I get a better focus here, is this one, this 12 volt, this 20 volt 12V plug. So this is what controls the power on your center console. So basically, what you do is you go over here, you take your tool, see this one right here, you're just going to take this one out. So you take it out, look at that. Look at that. See how in the middle, see how it is bent and broken in the middle? Now this is what a good one should look like. It's continuous, and not like this one. This is a broken one, this is a good one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it, you're gonna insert it back over here. So I'm just gonna do it by hand, and now let's try it out. So if I turn the key on again, if I take my tester here, so I'm getting lights here, and I go over here, I'm also getting the blue lights. So that little 12V, so this one right here, this 20 amp 12V fuse is what controls your power underneath the armrest. But yeah, thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment down below, or give a like, subscribe.